Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. These three foundational colors can make or break a space when used correctly in interior design. I'll show you how each primary color transforms 8 different design styles. Let's get started. Let's start with red, a bold and energetic color. Red adds drama and can evoke passion or warmth, depending on how it's used. It can work as a statement in many styles. Here are 8 different ways red is used as the primary color in various interior design styles. In traditional design, deep red walls and rich textiles add a sense of luxury and warmth. In modern spaces, a bold red bed makes a strong statement in an otherwise minimalist setting. In Scandinavian design, red cabinetry stands out while keeping the space airy and clean. Industrial spaces use bold red elements to contrast with the raw, unfinished textures. In Bohemian interiors, red saturates the space, creating warmth and an inviting, eclectic atmosphere. Urban interiors embrace red to create a bold and dynamic look within a sleek, industrial setting. In mid-century modern design, red highlights key pieces like the desk and geometric art, adding a pop of energy. In contemporary design, a red accent wall draws the eye and serves as the centerpiece of the room. Next up, we have blue. Known for its calming and tranquil nature, blue can create a sense of serenity and relaxation. Depending on the shade, it can either cool down or energize a room. Here's how blue works as the primary focus across these design styles. In coastal design, soft blue walls and furnishings bring the calming essence of the ocean into the room. Traditional spaces use navy blue as a base to add formality and sophistication to the dining room. In farmhouse design, blue cabinets add a fresh twist while keeping the cozy, rustic feel. Industrial spaces use dark blue to balance the raw, hard textures with a touch of refinement. In Scandinavian design, blue walls and bedding keep the room cool, calming, and simple. Modern spaces love blue for adding depth and creating a sophisticated, monochromatic look. In Bohemian interiors, blue adds a grounding and calming effect amidst the eclectic decor. Urban spaces use blue to create a sleek, cool, and modern look that contrasts with industrial elements. Finally, let's talk about yellow. This is a color full of positivity and warmth. Yellow can illuminate a space and create a welcoming, cheerful atmosphere. Here's how yellow takes center stage in various styles. In modern design, bold yellow cabinets and tiles bring energy and brightness to the kitchen. Mid-century spaces embrace yellow for its optimism and to create a retro vibe. In contemporary spaces, a yellow feature wall adds brightness and focus to a minimalist office. In Scandinavian design, yellow is used in subtle ways to bring warmth to the neutral space. In Bohemian spaces, yellow adds vibrant, cheerful energy to create a cozy and lived-in look. Industrial design uses yellow as an accent to add warmth and contrast to the rough textures. Urban spaces use yellow in high-contrast ways to bring in fun, edgy style. In traditional spaces, yellow wallpaper and upholstery add a refined, sunny charm. And there you have it, red, blue, and yellow in all their glory, across different interior design styles. Don't be afraid to experiment with primary colors to bring vibrancy and personality into your space. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design inspiration.